I am recording this way ahead of time. I have ordered 2 new rings because I'm an idiot. I forgot I already had these. These are the exhaust clamps rather than those nasty U-shaped pieces of shit. The rubber bungs, I don't know, I think I've probably already got those in one of the other kits that I bought. And these mounts to support the exhaust system. Now this kit number, let's see, is BSS FK015. I'm sorry, that noise you're hearing is my brother. He's a very noisy person. Right, let's go see what he wants. Well, that's the position it needs to be in. I'll just put a tack weld there, tack weld there, tack weld there. Then I can take the magnets off and then weld it up properly. Won't that be fun? Once I've done that, then I will offer it up to the gearbox and then decide what I'm going to do about these holes. Whether I'm going to fill them and re-drill or what I'm going to do. I haven't decided yet. I'll decide that once I offer it up to the body and the gearbox. I may end up putting holes there. I don't know. We will see. So let's get on and do. Okay, this is how a rank amateur does welding. Whoa, that ain't right. What the fuck's going on? Gas? Speed? Let's try again. What the fuck is going on here? No gas? Yeah, got gas. I told you this was rank amateur, didn't I? Another go. That's better. Not sure what was happening before. I really do want to get a couple of side welds there. Yeah, they're not very good welds, I know that. I think I had the speed too fast and it was jumping. God, my nozzle's all dirty. Let me clean my nozzle. And I don't like doing that with that power on. There we go. Oh, look, it just fell off. All right. Now, in theory, don't we all love theories? That should come off. That should come off. So should that, and so should that. Okay, they're just my magnets. Now I can weld. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Not bad for an old cunt. Huh, I said that rude word. Uh-oh, I popped it. I've done that before. Yeah, I was just trying to build up the weld there, and yeah, my electric source didn't like it. All right. Pretty? No. When I grind these down, it'll be pretty. Wasn't that fun? I just pulled the bloody trigger. So folks, these are lessons on how not to weld. You're not going to see this because it's in a hole. Oh, Houston, we have a problem. Shit. I forgot to clean up part of it, so I'm not getting a circuit. So we will have to burn our way through. Oh, maybe I'm not getting a good connection there. Oh hum, here we go. Yeah, I think I wasn't getting a good connection there. Let's try this. I did it again. Fuck it. I'm sorry, my breaker is very sensitive. I think there might be some editing of this. I need more light, and there's the sun up there. I'm kind of, that's warm. Kind of welding blind here. I'm sorry, you're probably not going to see this, but I'm over here. You ain't going to see it anyway. you bugger, you bugger. Actually, you're pretty fucking close to finished. I'll have to sand that a bit. Alright, let me reset it anyway. Turn that off. Automatic dimming welding mask. Here it is, cleaned up. Now, as I mentioned, I am no professional welder. So for a first attempt, I'm quite pleased with that. I may try and put a little bit more in here. Definitely going to put some more in here and there. And, oh, hang on a second, if I can get this camera to obey me. Okay, and now in there, that does not look pretty. I will be going over it again with another weld. Unfortunately, as it's tucked in the corner, it's very difficult for me to clean up. So it may end up just being covered in paint so that it doesn't look as bad as it is. But it's thirking strong, I can tell you that. I had deep penetration on that, and it will do the job. Next is to offer it up to the gearbox. Once I've welded it again, I'm going to do that. And then see how we go. Yep, here it is. That is finished welding wise. I'm not going to do any more to it. Those little areas, you know, like there, where there isn't any weld, fuck it, it can be filled with paint. I still have not decided on these. That will be done in a little while when I offer this up. At the moment, the thing's red hot. Well, not red, you know, it's hot. So I'm going to let it cool down. Then we'll get the car up in the air and put this baby on and see what we see. Whoops, hang on. Sorry, I pressed the wrong button there. I'm still getting used to this camera. Oh, stick with me, guys. I'll fuck it up. Okay. So there's the plate in position. Now, these two, yep, they're going to work out fine. These two, not so fucking good. Not sure what I'm going to do there. Yeah, it's a bit of a pisser, that. These two, I think I'm going to just drill straight up and through and put a metal plate on the other side with some nuts and weld it to the floor. These two, yeah, that's really a pain in the ass because that plate just doesn't go far enough out. And I don't have any quarter plate that I could join. Shit, have I got to go and buy a piece of quarter plate to, you know, attach here? Oh, fuck. And all I need is like an inch wide piece of quarter plate. I wonder if I can buy some quarter plate. Fuck. Yeah, this is just not going to work. Sorry about that. This is just not going to work. I've got to extend this. There's no two ways in my book. I've got to extend it, you know, with like a piece of inch by quarter plate, and then I can drill the holes through
And then, yes, I may have to put a spacer because of the way the floor is, but I don't see an option to make it secure as I want it to be. So I got to go find me a piece of quarter plate, or, ooh, shit, I've got some plate that isn't quarter, but it's an eighth, and weld a couple of pieces together. Yeah. I think that's what I'm going to do. In fact, I'm pretty sure I have a piece of plate that is that thick. Come to think of it, it was for something else. Shit, that's what I'm going to do. Sorry, guys. Back in the next video with the adaptation that I'm going to make. Don't you just love this shit?